Check if string contains only white space. How can I test if a string contains only white space? Example strings. Space, space, space. \t \n, space, tab, space, new line, space. \n \n \t \n, new line, new line, new line, tab, new line.
Use the str.ispace method. Return true if there are only whitespace characters in the string and there is at least one character. False otherwise. A character is whitespace if in the Unicode character database, see Unicode editor, either its general category is ZS, separator, space, or its bidirectional class is one of WS, B, or S. Combine that with a special case for handling the empty string. Alternatively, you could use str.strip and check if the result is empty.
You can use the str.ispace method.
Street ispace returns false for a valid and empty string. Therefore, checking with not will also evaluate none type and/or empty string.
You want to use the ispace method. Str ispace, return true if there are only whitespace characters in the string and there is at least one character, false otherwise. That's defined on every string object. Here it is in usage example for your specific use case.
If you want to support the channel, please send in like and subscribe.